How to reset progress in the Encode application. So let's get started. First of all, open the Encode application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto Settings option at the top right corner. Just right here, select it. Then scroll down, keep on scrolling down, and here you can find Reset Progress right here, which is one of the destructive actions. Now to reset it, simply tap onto Reset Progress. Tap on it. Then here you can find the confirmation that you have to do. This action will delete all your progress, including earned certificates. You will need to restart from the beginning. So if you need that, then simply tap onto Reset. Tap on it. And now you can see your progress has been reset. And that's it. This is how you can reset the progress in the Encode app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.